Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ki Nonghikai ad hoc habbo kashatri jang Confederation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya. Henne ka Sngi kilapan pawe ka jing sngosi bat yam thang nagadaw ba ka sorkar kam Samla khia ban pen urlong ya ka jing dawa jongki. Nagalyang unong aiktin ka fastam habakren sha ki Nonghikai ula ong ba ki thrang documentary sorkar ki nongyalam jongki sengsan perthai ban wan yakandu ban shong batki baken sngautho ya ka jing e jongki. Ula kenturu yaki nong yalam kalyang persya bat ki basensyar ban ya trailang bat ban wan ya kendo yaki bakin sngautho. Ula ongru baki Nonghikai ki wan na kalyang ki jaka bat ya hasurong ngimtep laki yo bam yo di nekumno. Ula kentu ya ka sorkar ban shongker ke ban pen urlong ya ka jing dawa jongki. Ula pen pauru ya ka jing sngosi baki longkme ki ie yaki khun haki yingkisem. Ki don ki longkme ki wan ra ki khun ki ti ban yas nok tilang. Ula ong ba ka election kan wan bat kan len Henry kamen sembriu kan wan pai. Kumtai kila shim ya ka nekarai ban shong hang ne hado banda urlong.
The people who we want to come here. But the most important people that we want to come here are the people who are ministers in the MDA government. You are ministers. Doesn't matter you belong to which political party. You belong to the PDF. Let's talk about a little bit about the different kinds of ministers. We have someone who is holding the agricultural sector. We have someone who is holding the education. We have someone who is holding the urban affairs. We have someone who is holding the finance and so on and so forth. We want all of you to come here to understand us, to sit with us. We will meet you. We will shake your hand. Pictures will be taken while we are shaking your hand. And if someone says that this is political, then yes, it is political because we want change. We want all of you, the opposition and the ruling. Do not think where you are sitting. Come together. Work together. You are representatives of the people. You are selected by the people. Don't think that the moment you sit there in your seats, you change who you are. So please come. I am tearing up right now because this has been going on for the last 5 days. I see these teachers here from far-flung places. They have come, they have slept here at night. They have had sleepless nights. We do not know whether they have had food or not. It pains my heart, it pains my soul. But still we are here because we are waiting for what we deserve. So we want you to come here. You can make an arrangement for an emergency meeting today. We know that the CM is coming today. So look for an emergency meeting, solve our issue. We do not want to sit here all the time. For me and the others who are still young, it's fine. It's fine. But I cannot see the women who have children at home waiting to come and sit here. The other day, there's a teacher who had a child, 3 months old. She came at night along with her husband. She brought tea for us. The child is in the car. And she still came in the car. And she still came. She still came. But what does the government do? The government does not know because they are sitting there. They don't know what is going on here. And these politicians, just to secure your seat, you are sitting there. Why are you not speaking? The names that I've already taken, why are you not speaking? Why are you not speaking? Because you are afraid of the next election. Election will come and go. But the human soul, once it goes, it will never come back. We cannot live like this. So please, solve our issue as soon as possible. And we hope that if this MDA government has a heart, it will not play games anymore. We are tired of games. We are tired of games. Do not send these officers to tell us to go back. We will not go back. We will not go back. Now we will stay here until and unless we get our demands. We will not blame you if we fall sick. We will not blame anyone. It is us because we choose to be here. But please solve this issue as soon as possible. That is all I have to say. Thank you.